Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts as you are about to witness the stunning beauty of Fiji. Welcome to Fiji, the ultimate tropical playground. Picture this: crystal clear waters, palm-fringed beaches, and a vibe that screams, "I never want to leave." But hey, there's more to Fiji than meets the eye. Prepare yourself for a wild ride through history, culture, and all-around awesomeness. Fiji's got more islands than your favorite tropical cocktail has umbrellas. We're talking over 300 little slices just waiting to be explored. From the bustling hubs to the teeny tiny dots on the map, each island has its own vibe and adventure to offer.
We're thinking about where we've been.
Fiji's got some serious eco-cred. The islands are home to some of the happiest turtles and friendliest dolphins you'll ever meet. Plus, there's a whole bunch of conservation efforts underway to keep Fiji's natural beauty intact for generations of beach bums to come. So, rewind a few thousand years. Imagine the scene. Explorers from the Lapita tribe hopping on their canoes and saying, "Hey, let's check out Fiji." And just like that, Fiji became the hottest spot in the Pacific. Fast forward to today, and Fiji is like a cultural cocktail with a tropical twist. You've got your indigenous Fijians, your Indo-Fijians, and a sprinkle of European influence thrown in for good measure. The result? A melting pot of traditions, languages, and mouth-watering cuisine that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. Beyond its cultural richness, Fiji is a hotspot for nature enthusiasts. Beneath its crystalline waters lie some of the world's most diverse coral reefs, teeming with marine life. And inland, dense rainforests harbor an array of endemic species, offering a glimpse into Fiji's natural heritage. But wait, guys, there's more. Let's talk about the real stars of Fiji, the people. Fijians are like the human embodiment of sunshine, warm, welcoming, and always ready for a good time. From traditional ceremonies to impromptu dance-offs on the beach, you'll feel like part of the family from the moment you arrive. Fiji's got waterfalls that'll make you want to shout, "Woo-hoo!" Picture this. Hidden away in the lush greenery of the islands are some of the most spectacular waterfalls you'll ever lay eyes on. From towering cascades that plunge into crystal-clear pools to secret spots where fairies might just be hiding. Fiji's waterfalls are like something straight out of a fantasy novel. So pack your swimsuit, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to chase waterfalls like a boss. So, whether you're here to chill on sun-kissed beaches, experience Fijian culture, or embark on an adventure through its pristine wilderness, Fiji promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler.